Prayer by Ellen G. White. Chapter 11. Answered Prayer. God answers prayer at His own appointed time. Throughout his married life, Zacharias had prayed for a son. He and his wife were now old, and as yet their prayer had remained unanswered, but he murmured not. God had not forgotten. He had His appointed time for answering this prayer, and when the case seemed hopeless, Zacharias received his answer. SDA Bible Commentary, Volume 5, page 1114.